Today, I'm going to tell you how to make the 100% detox drink that you can try in empty stomach before breakfast. For this, we start with taking one large cucumber and start with cutting it into two halves. Slit them into vertical pieces. One thing I missed mentioning is you need to ensure that they're completely peeled and they don't have their skin because their skin tends to be bitter. Now, we chop them into small pieces the way you see in the video and we store this separately. Next, we take the carrot, which is nicely washed and peeled. Now similarly we slit it in the center and have vertical slits done and then chop it into small pieces the way you see it in the video. We again store this separately. Next, we're going to take one other important ingredient, that is the ginger. We're going to nicely slit this into three and nicely chop it into small pieces so that they are able to grind well and blend well with the juice. We again store it separately along with the other vegetables that we've got into the container. To all of these vegetables, we add some mint leaves so that it gives us a good flavor. We transfer all of these vegetables into a mixer grinder and nicely going to grind it into a paste. Now you see that we're going to add some water, which is enough to submerge all the vegetables. We close it. While it's grinding, a quick recap of all the vegetables that now you see that our juice is ready and grinded. We then run it through a sieve so that all the hard particles come out. We're then going to add some lemon juice to it to give us a tangy taste. Add some salt, some pepper, some honey, which is completely optional dependent on how sweet you want your juice to be. Our 100% detox juice is ready to be had.